Alrighty, everybody. We are on our way to Manio from Hatteras. We met a gentleman on the ramp here at Hatteras, and he is from Utah and is having some mechanical issues with his Columbia 400. So we offered to fly up to pick up his mechanic and the parts needed. And so, yeah, we're going to help him out. Bree's on the beach today. So glad she's so understanding because today is our anniversary. But run-up is complete, and we're ready for takeoff. Final check. Trim set for takeoff, and flaps are set for takeoff. Hatteras traffic, Mooney, November 6733 uniform, back taxiing runway 07 for departure. All right, we are making full power. RPMs are good. Fuel pressure's good. Airspeed's alive. Man, we're light today. Let's fly. EGT4 still acting up. Hatteras traffic, Mooney 6733 uniform, turning left crosswind, runway 25, north departure. All right, safe altitude, flaps coming out, getting that nose down, watching our EGTs and cylinder head temps. Looking for 120. Hatteras traffic, Mooney 6733 uniform, departing to the north, 1 mile north of the field, 1,200. Last call, Hatteras.
First light, beach driver, helicopter 7, Bravo, Jockey's Ridge. We're going to be northbound, beach side, 400, going Corolla.
Traffic, Banner 065, a mile.
All right, guys, we are on our way home from the beach. It's been a good few days. Kids had a blast yesterday surfing and playing around in the beach. So, in Cortland says surfing. It's really bodyboarding, but it is what it is. I spy an airport.
Oh, I see it.
What are your thoughts on Hatteras for if you're flying? Would you recommend it?
Absolutely recommend. So the airport is right on the beach, so takeoff, landing, absolutely beautiful. And it's a really short drive to the small town.
So we stayed in Buxton, which I didn't realize wasn't part of Hatteras Island. It's actually just south of Hatteras Island. We stayed at a very inexpensive hotel. I think it was $170 a night, oceanfront, and it was just a good little getaway for the week. During the week, I should say. But if you're ever looking for somewhere in the Outer Banks to go, I would definitely consider that. Reason I say that is Manio is pretty busy this time of year. They have parachute jumpers, they have the banner towers, they have a lot of inbound traffic, and it's just a mess trying to get in and out, especially with the parachute jumpers. I was taking off of runway 23 today, cleared to take off, confirmed because there was jumpers in the air. Literally, the jumpers were over runway 23, and it was just a very uneasy feeling. I didn't like it. I was cleared. Everything was fine there, but it just didn't feel like my cup of tea. And every time I go to Manio, it's just not my favorite. So definitely would recommend looking at Buxton area. Avon's right in that area, but Philip Mitchell is a top choice. My second choice would be for an overnight would actually be Kitty Hawk, because you can leave your plane there for 24 hours. You can't leave it there for more than 24 hours. But
and at least where we were, the beaches weren't crowded at all.
No, gosh, no. I mean, it was more of a beach town. There's not high rises. There's not a boardwalk. There's, it's literally just the beach and houses. That's my favorite kind of beach. I won't talk about how bad I am at fishing off the beach, but
yeah, not touristy at all.
So, and if you do have kids, they do have putt putt. They do have go karts. So there is that, but your main attraction is going to be the beach, and there is pretty good food from what I understand. We didn't really eat out, but yeah. What would you think? Do it again?
Absolutely.
Cool. Where are we
I'm
going?
ready to go next week.
Our next trip I've got planned for us already.
Well, that's to Edenton for 4th
Oh
of July.
yeah. After that, I mean my next unplanned. I got another one planned for us at some point this summer.
I like that. Are you gonna keep it a surprise?
I'm gonna try. I do really good with surprises when I don't know what I'm doing, but once I know, I got to tell you.
Well, so, yeah, you're just so excited about it.
So what I'm doing this time is I've got a general idea of what we're doing, but I don't have anything planned out yet, so to speak. So
are you thinking August?
I don't know. Depends on when we go into annual.
That's true.
So
I didn't realize annual was actually not going to be as bad. But you were talking about the price with guys.
Yeah. And that's base price. That's just to do the annual.
Okay.
So if they find anything wrong, there's parts and more time and labor added on top of that. So.
Okay.
So it can vary from that price that you and I talked about to tens of thousands if they find something major. So.
Yeah. Hopefully not, with how well you're taking care of it and how on top of it you are.
Yeah. And we're hitting the afternoon thermals. It's an awesome day to be a glider pilot. They use the thermals to rise up.
Oh, they do?
I don't know what's going on. I mean, my true airspeed is back up to 165 miles an hour. That's exactly where I want to be. I don't know. But it was nice being able to help out that gentleman. So that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
I hope everything works out for him. So, hope he has a safe flight back to Utah tomorrow. That would be so nerve-wracking.
How come?
What, just having that much work done on the field, literally, not like in the shop on the field,
well,
like
yeah.
on the ramp. And then flying, from North Carolina to Utah. That's
Yeah, I wonder how long that trip is for him.
I mean, his plane's pretty quick. I mean, it's a Columbia 400 turbo, so it's a turbocharged airplane. You can get up to flight levels and.
Yeah, exactly.
We had to stop in Edenton on the way home for fuel, and Mom lost her wallet. So.
Kill two birds with one stone.
Yeah, because I refused to pay the fuel prices in Richmond.
What's the difference?
About $1.50 a gallon.
Yeah, it's better that we stopped.
Yeah, I mean, I get it. Everybody has to make money. I get it, but I know what they're getting it for, and they're making $2 a gallon on it, which just isn't. That's obsessive.
Because they're the only
Or
one.
excessive. Yeah, that's excessive. So for y'all that don't know, I have a little bit of a speech impediment, so I mix up my words quite a bit. So find that very entertaining. Enjoy it. Make a joke. Don't really care. Is what it is.
It doesn't happen that often.
It happened now that we've been making YouTube. I've noticed it happening way more
Really?
than I actually realized. Like I'll cut scenes out. I was like, wow, it looks really not intelligent right now.
Oh,
Yeah.
see, I don't even notice it. I only notice it when you name that certain animal.
Hip hop anonymous.
Hippopotamus.
I can't believe I actually said that to being serious. I watched Big Daddy so much as a kid that when you said, what is this? And I said, instead of saying hippopotamus, I said hip hop anonymous? Without even thinking about it.
We should watch that.
That's
tonight.
a good movie.
That would be good.
I wipe my own eyes.
Have a low-key relaxing night before work tomorrow.
We're going to cook a big old steak, celebrate our anniversary.
I like it.
Bottle of wine.
We should do The Prisoner. Oh, yeah.
Oh, we should get a bottle of The Prisoner.
Yeah, that's special. Maybe
I don't think I can drink it on my diet.
See him. Cool.
Chesterfield traffic, Mooney 6733, uniform, left downwind, runway 33, Chesterfield. It's going to be a fun one.
Woo! Oh, man. Yeah, have a nice, strong crosswind. So you get to practice it.
Yep, went from calm to 13 at 90 degrees across, so awesome.
Practice makes perfect.
Yeah, alright. Juice pump is on, landing light's been on, mixer's going full rich, prop full forward, radio set, everything is good to go. Under 120. Gears in and locked and indicated. Chesterfield traffic, 6733, uniform, turning left base, runway 33. Bridge exit. Alright, we're going to do no flap landing today. I will have it set up in case we need them. Chesterfield traffic, 6733, uniform, turning final, runway 33, Chesterfield. Alright, a little fast. Pull some power at the trim. On glide slope, everything looks good. Set up for the crab. Alright, gears down. We are on the fullest tank. We're good. Let her settle, let her settle, let her settle, let her settle. There we go.
Nice
That's how she's
landing.
done. Boop, boop.
That was awesome, given the crosswind.
Alright, boost pumps off, landing lights staying on. I can't wait to get new brake pads this week.
Yeah, that's a must.
Chesterfield traffic, 33 uniform, clear runway, 33, Chesterfield.